In last week's summit between the leaders of South Korea and the U.S., the two sides agreed to do more together to address shortages of coronavirus vaccines. President Biden committed to vaccinating all of South Korea's military personnel. Our Kim Do-yeon has the latest on the two sides' vaccine cooperation.
At the South Korea-U.S. summit last weekend, U.S. President Joe Biden made a surprise announcement.
There are 550,000 Korean soldiers, sailors, airmen who work in close contact with American forces in Korea. We'll provide full vaccinations for all 550,000 of those Korean forces engaging with American forces on a regular basis, both for their sake as well as the sake of the American forces.
On Tuesday, the South Korean health minister said the U.S. will share its plan for supplying the doses next week, showing that the vaccine partnership between the two are starting to yield results. Also, by early June, the two countries will launch the CORS Global Vaccine Partnership Experts Group. The group will be made up of scientists, experts, and officials from both sides who will work toward ending the pandemic as soon as possible and preparing for the next global health threat.
The establishment of the Korea-U.S. Global Vaccine Partnership means the alliance between the two countries goes beyond just security, and by advancing into vaccine alliance, the two will jointly respond to global health crises.
Companies from the two sides also signed several MOUs. These deals will enable South Korean companies to produce vaccines developed by the U.S. Also, South Korean government agencies signed deals with Novavax and Moderna to facilitate new investment in vaccine development and production.
The MOUs between the government and these companies will enable the outsourcing of mRNA vaccine production to Korea, and they will accelerate cooperation investments for mRNA vaccine production. We have also laid the foundation for research cooperation to respond to future infectious diseases, including COVID-19 variants.
The minister added that the summit also laid the foundation for South Korea to become a global vaccine hub, and that the government will do its best to help end the global pandemic by faithfully implementing follow-up measures and to increase the global reputation of Korea's bio industry. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.